Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nicole Freels. Come join me. Her nails, I don't think have been trimmed in like 6 months. The biggest issue with these nails in particular, they're super thick and the skin is coming right underneath up to the tip of the toenail. I will tell you, nails like this are the most challenging to trim. So you just gotta take your time. So come with me and follow along. I like your nail polish. Oh.
Thank you.
It's gonna make it a little.
They have to take her oxygen when the therapy people come, and they won't take through that nail polish.
This is gonna be a little uncomfortable because these nails are quite thick and the nail polish made it really, really hard, okay? I'm sorry in advance for any discomfort. Okay. Do you have them setting up the water Dremel?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, thank you, thank you.
When
Okay.
I leave, I'd like to take your earrings.
You know, I got them for about $5 at Target.
Really?
I did.
I think they're beautiful on you.
Thank you. Right here, you can see it's skin and nail coming up. And so just take the tip very slowly, gently, just let it crumble away. We've already soaked the feet for all of you watching that ask me every single time about soaking the feet. But these are quite hard because that it's hard to soften them when you've got that nail polish on top. I mean, it can be done, but it's just not as much as we would like. But as long as she's comfortable, we are happy.
Ouch.
I know, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Nail polish.
You okay up there? Around here. Just a little bit at a time. Careful attention not to grab any skin. That's where most people really get into trouble.
They
Is
say that, you know, like I said, if it injures, it may not heal. Because it's on the foot.
that's exactly right. So she was saying if, you know, you're getting someone accidentally nips it or you even nip it, it can be a challenge to heal
Exactly.
that because of the poor circulation.
Now,
What's that?
if she has a nurse come to the house, can they do that?
You know, I don't know. It probably depends on their licensure. I would just ask them. Here we go. Doing great so far. See that big ledge? Thank you, Hannah. Just a little bit will do it. And these corners can get so impacted with debris that it can feel like nail when you're even trimming it. But a lot of times it's just kind of slowly picking the gunk out, really. So get over here on this edge. It's not strong enough. There we go.
Tough, aren't they?
They're very tough. I had to use 2 hands on that one. I'm really disappointed it didn't hit the ceiling though. That one I thought was gonna go up.
Yeah, I've been telling her for a long time you need to cut your toenails.
You know, I don't want you cutting your toenails. Let me do it, okay? So there's a lot of just kind of build up under here. But that skin, you can see right here, is right underneath of that portion. Are you tired of living with foot pain or discomfort? It's time to step into relief. At Lexington Podiatry, we're passionate about getting you back on your feet. Don't let another day pass by. Book an appointment with our foot care experts today. Call us now or visit our website. Your feet will thank you. So far, so good. Are you able to come back if you don't have anyone else to do this? If you don't have any other caregivers? Would you like to come back in a couple of months so we can do that for
okay.
you? Okay, great. And so we can
I
keep...
used to come regular, but then I got out of the habit. You know?
I get it.
You ain't got out of the habit, you just don't do anything anymore. Except sleep. And her walking's got a lot worse.
Yeah, get really contracted. Well, that little guy's hanging on.
And transporting is just a major headache.
If you would prefer to call us when this needs to be done, that's perfectly fine. Or you can have a standing appointment and move it if it doesn't work for you. Whatever is best to keep these nails under control. We'll jump in and help however we can. Yeah, a little bit. These are the ones that when they start curling under, really lucky that's not piercing the skin. I'm sorry. I got you just a little bit.
I'm
on that
sensitive anyway.
All right, well, I think I saw a little bit. Just a skosh, like a pinhead size. We'll definitely keep a close eye on that because we were just talking about nipping. I'm quite certain I'm going to get about 1,000 comments at this point. This is real world podiatry, people. It's not perfect, I promise. Yeah, doing good. I'll be able to thin this out, hopefully quite a bit. Angelica, since we still have that one big drill bit on order, we're gonna have to use 2 Dremels. We'll do the one for the thickness,
Okay.
and then we will switch out with the water Dremel.
Okay.
Okay. Boy, your skin is just right up under these. I wouldn't recommend anyone that's not skilled or licensed to do this because your nail, the skin comes right under that thick nail. So it's a little challenging and you just have to go really, really slow. So whomever, and this is a great tutorial for those at home watching to pick up some tips and tricks and things like that. Okay, so I can see the skin ends there. So a little bite here and there. When did you have these nails painted last?
Is part of it orange?
It is. I was wondering if there's 2
About
different.
5 months ago.
Okay. Great. You're doing wonderful. I'm almost done with this part, okay?
Because they, like I said, their option thing will not go through nail
I
polish.
think I had you the last time. You've been here quite a few years, haven't you?
15.
Well, okay.
Yep,
it
that was
you
me.
Then.
I'm the first one here and I'll probably be the last one.
Yeah, I tried every way in the world to find out who gave her that medicine for 2 months.
Where did you find your earrings at like that?
I think they came from Target.
Oh.
I believe so. Very, very inexpensive. Okay, almost there. Paint makes it hard to the perfect. I'll get the Dremel on that one. Hey guys, Dr. Freels here. Are you suffering from chronic foot pain? Well, let's talk about some easy home remedies. Rice, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. You can start by gently stretching and massaging your feet. You could even apply an over-the-counter pain reliever. Don't let your foot pain slow you down. Take action and step into relief. Remember, if you like how-tos, product reviews, lots of patient education, procedure discussions, and shoe shopping guidance, please follow along. Now don't forget, subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications.